In the time of the Roman Empire, the lifeblood of the city was water. Through magnificent aqueducts, rivers were carried across valleys and into Rome. One of the greatest of these was the Aqua Claudia. But even the strongest structures can fail. One summer, the channel began to leak. Water, the lifeblood of the city, was escaping before it could reach its destination. The emperor ordered the curator aquarum, the keeper of the waterworks, to descend into the depths of the aqueduct and restore the flow. Torch in hand, he walked through the dark passageways beneath the city. In the deep stone corridor, he found the breach, a crack where the water escaped into the earth. Carefully, he scraped the stone and sealed the wound with Roman cement. And once again, the lifeblood flowed back to the city. 2,000 years later, we still face the same problem. Not in aqueducts, but in the biliary system, the body's own network of channels that carry bile from the liver to the intestine. When a leak develops, bile escapes, just like water from a broken aqueduct. After a cholecystectomy, that is, removal of gallbladder, highlighted in dark blue, one of the known complications is a cystic duct stump leak. Clips are shown by two vertical blue lines, where bile escapes from the small remnant of the cystic duct. Instead of flowing normally into the intestine, bile leaks into the abdominal cavity, causing pain, collections. Our plan is to perform sphincterotomy at ampulla, to relieve pressure in biliary system, followed by placement of plastic stent across CBD, just like fixing aqueduct. Here we are performing selective CBD cannulation. We are facing slight challenge due to position of ampulla, along with the periampullary diverticulum. In this case, it is light Tanaka type 4. B. We can see the leaking of contrast through the remnant cystic duct into the abdominal cavity. Sphincterotomy is performed to relieve the pressure in biliary system so that bile follows the path of least resistance. Sphincterotome was withdrawn while keeping guide wire in right posterior sectoral duct. A double pigtail plastic stent is placed across CBD. The biliary system was successfully decompressed. Just as the Roman engineers sealed the aqueduct, restoring the city's water supply, ERCP restored the natural flow of bile. From ancient aqueducts to modern endoscopy, the principle remains the same. Disorder is a crack in structure. Discipline is the seal. Restoration is sacred work. Thank you for watching.